New Mexico. Alright, back. We were out here. We never planned on racing the Viper, but as duty calls, we got Jose here in his C6. I think this is a heads cam build. He said it made around 530. My car probably makes around 510, 520. It all depends on weight and driver, so we'll see. And we got buddy right here. It's Jonathan. Down here from down. Yeah.
Go with him or go with dude.
Yeah.
I mean, shit, that's 2 pounds.
Yeah, so first run it'll be, this is my passenger, so Jose with no passenger. Yeah. This run.
I got a bunch of tools in my back car, man.
Oh yeah. Work vet. This is a work vet. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, sure.
Tell me.
Man.
I told you were gonna get me.
Man, I thought it was gonna be, and I really thought that you was gonna walk me like on the top, be for real, cause.
Nah, I see what like this motherfucker, man. They actually, I told you they were like 600 or something. You know, I'd only done it like 536 or 530 something to the wheel. So I mean, it wasn't.
That still was a good race though, but you can feel what I was telling him, like. It's something up with the front suspension in this car because when we got up about 120, 130, it was like, I need to go and check, see what's going on with it.
Yeah, no, that's like second gear, third, like there, and now it's 30 something.
Boy. There's no point that I go with you.
Ain't no sense, seriously.
I think I smell my brakes. That's probably what it is for the most part.
My damn clutch. I missed so many goddamn gears in there.
I can smell mine too. Cause when I got to the light, it died. Oh boy, it came up quick.
Well, this one actually shut off.
Huh?
Yeah, mine turned off. Yeah. Yeah, my car turned all the way off.
It got like a warning or something.
Yeah.
Because of the brakes, I guess.
I don't know what it was doing. It probably saw the G-force because when we got up to that point of, like, we saw those cars, we had the slam on it. Of course, the dang front end's going all over goddamn place. So that's why I was like, we had to be somewhere flat, because now you see what I was saying. If we hit a bump, we was gonna die. Like it would have been over.
God, you know what? That's what it was. And I had done something. I was like,
All right, so we done a 60 and a 40 roll, and it's pretty close on the 60 for sure. Probably a car, 2 cars at best, but definitely gotta get the front end of this Viper checked out. So we got a lot of shakes, rattling, rolls going on. So see y'all guys in the next episode.